You cannot really compare laundry to many other industries where automation is very, very popular. Like we are sitting in the background of a laundry right now. It is very hot, it is very humid, it's chaotic, people are running around. You cannot expect operators to have all the gadgets and all ready during operations. We've got to customize it, we have to tweak everything that is available for a high-tech industry into a low-tech industry. That's what we do. My name is Sreejith Narendran. I'm from Kerala in India. So I have founded this company in 2013. It's called Magnarab. We have another company in India which is called Magnamind, which has a different function in the same industry. In Magnarab, what we do is we design laundries, we supply equipment, we do software, we do services. In Magnamind, we are a laundry company from a central laundry facility in Kochi, Kerala. We operate across all segments, retail, we have workwear, we have hospitality, we have healthcare, we have airlines, you name it. If it is related to laundry and dry cleaning, we are there. How we see the market is, there is this small segment, the low-tech segment. What we do is we bring the solutions from the high-tech industry, from the heavy-level automation to this mid-sized. We have the physical workflow, we have the digital workflow which matches that. We bring automation, which is what we are focusing now on, which is Magnaflow from Zoho Creator. We bring automation in a very, very sensible manner to these places. People think laundry is about washing, drying, dry cleaning, pressing. That's a very small part. The real game changer is how you manage your logistics, how you transfer the data. So we divide the modules into three basic fundamental modules. One is called the front end, which can either be a driver who goes for collection or an outlet. Let's take the example of an outlet. A customer walks in, so we give them the receipt of, let's say, 7 pieces that they've brought in, and then we open the system, we start tagging with a pre-printed special tag, a sequential tag, and then we tag them and we mate that number, that barcode number, with that customer and the invoice number. That is the only time we do any kind of manual registry. So it starts with the outlet, it goes to the factory, we scan it again, then we look at it, okay, if this garment is qualified to be processed, if it is no, it's rejected, goes back to the customer, after which it goes to the washing, dry cleaning, hand wash, whatever process that is. And then it goes to the QC, then it goes back to the outlet, we issue it, we know when the customer has come, when it was delivered, we have the timestamp of every process, we know the customer when they pay. So this is where technology really comes in. The product that we have created is called Magnaflow. It is created with the help of Zoho Creator. Everything is recorded in the system for us to track how a garment journey happens within the facility, which means this will not be significant for laundries doing 50, 100 pieces a day. But when we are talking about big numbers like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 pieces a day, permutation combinations are way too many for a manual process to actually withstand. That is why we bring in automation. We selected Zoho Creator for a reason, because we can customize anything, any workflow with the help of their Jumpstart team. Since we've initiated this, we've saved more than 60% of the manpower only in that department. This is the reason why we said technology is very important for large format laundries, and that is what exactly Zoho Creator is helping us do.